So now students, we will do the exercise 20A. So take out your notebook and we will do the exercise 20A. In notebook you will write the today's date and then you will write the chapter name, chapter number 20, maths in real life, and then you will write exercise 20A and underline this heading. So now question number 1 is, Aditya bought 5 notebook at rupees 12 per notebook, 2 pencil at rupees 10 per pen, 4 pencils at rupees 3 per pencil, and 2 erasers at rupees 2 per eraser. Fill up the bill. Here you can see that here it is a bill. You will fill in. So I will tell you in book. You will do this question in your fair notebook. So you will make this bill and fill in the blanks. So here is serial number 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the item names, quantity, rate and amount. So first notebook, the notebook quantity is 5 because Aditya bought 5 notebooks. So you will write in quantity 5. Then the rate of a book is 12 per notebook. So you will write here 12 rupees. And the amount will be quantity multiplied by rate. So 5 multiplied by 12, it will be 60 rupees. So you will write here 60 rupees. Now second thing is pen that he bought. So pen quantity is, the quantity of pen is 2. So you will write here 2, and the rate of pen is rupees 10 per pen. So you will write here 10 rupees. So find out the amount. You will multiply rate and quantity. 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20 rupees. So you will write here 20 rupees. Now third thing is pencil. He bought 4 pencils. So the quantity of pencil is 4. So you will write here 4. And the rate of pencil is 3 per pencil, rupees 3 per pencil. So you will write here 3 rupees per pencil. So the amount of pencil is 4 multiplied by 3. 4 3 are 12. So you will write here 12 rupees. Now the fourth thing is, he bought eraser. So the quantity of eraser is 2 because he bought 2 erasers. So you will write here 2 in quantity. And the rate of eraser is rupees 2 per eraser. So you will write here 2 rupees, and the amount is 2 2s are 4 rupees. Now the total amount of bill is addition of amount. So 2 and 4 6, 6 and 2 8 and 1 9, 96 rupees. So the total bill of rupees is 96 rupees. So our bill is completed. So you will make this bill in your fair notebook. Now we will move question number 2. Sneha bought 5 packets of biscuits for rupees 6.50 per packet. स्नेहा ने 5 पैकेट खरीदे बिस्किट के और उसने 6.50 रुपीज़ पर पैकेट दिए. 3 पैकेट्स ऑफ नूडल्स फॉर रुपीज़ 10 ईच, और 3 पैकेट खरीदे नूडल्स के जिसमें हर एक का प्राइस है 10 रुपीज़. एंड अ बॉटल ऑफ पिकल फॉर रुपीज़ 72, और एक उसने अचार की बोतल खरीदी पिकल की 72 रुपीज़ में. एंड 4 पैकेट्स ऑफ चिप्स फॉर रुपीज़ 12 ईच, और 4 पैकेट उसने चिप्स के खरीदे जिसमें से हर एक का प्राइस 12 था. फिल अप द बिल. हियर यू कैन सी दैट द बिल फॉर्मेट इज गिवन हियर. यू विल फिल इन द आइटम्स, क्वांटिटी, रेट एंड अमाउंट. सो यू विल कंप्लीट द बिल. So I will tell you in book. You will make the bill and do this question in your fair notebook. Now first of all, in item column, the first item Sneha bought is biscuits. So you will write here biscuits. Biscuits. Then quantity of biscuit is 5 packets. So you will write here 5 packets. And the rate of a biscuit is 6.50 rupees per packet. So you will write here rupees 6.50. Now the amount will be quantity multiplied by rate. So you will multiply 5 into 6.50. 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 6 are 30 and 2 32. So 32.50 rupees. Now second thing she bought was noodles. So you will write here noodles, and the quantity of noodles is 3 packets. So you will write here 3 packets, and the rate of noodle is 10 rupees each. So you will write here in rate column rupees 10. So now the amount will be 10 multiplied by 3, 30 rupees. Now the third thing, she bought a bottle of pickle. So you will write here pickle, 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 for rupees 72, and the one quantity of pickle. So you will write here 1, and the rate of 72 rupees 72. So you will write here 72. हाँ sir. Now the fourth thing she bought is chips, 4 packets of chips. So you will write here chips in item column, chips, and the quantity of chips is 4 packets. So you will write here 4 packets, and the rate of chips is 12 rupees each. So you will write here rupees 12. So the total amount will be of chips is 12 multiplied by 4. It will be 48 rupees. Now we will add the all amount of total bill, all amount of bill, to find out the total amount of bill. 0, 5, 2 and 2 4, 4 and 8 12. We will write here 2 from 12, carry 1, 4 and 3 7, 7 7 14 and 4 18. So the total amount of bill is 180 rupees point 50. Now the second question also has been done. You will do both question of exercise 20A in your fair notebook. So students, we will in my next video we will do the remaining question of this exercise. Thank you.